Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 5, Lesson 35. We spent time on adjectives, the words that describe nouns. Today we meet their busy cousin, the adverb. An adverb adds detail to an action or a quality, and once you know what it points to, it's easy to spot. So what does an adverb do? An adverb modifies or describes one of three things. It can modify a verb, an action word. It can modify an adjective, a describing word. Or it can modify another adverb. Notice the pattern. An adjective only ever describes a noun, but an adverb describes everything else. It adds detail to one other word. Here is the key. An adverb always answers one of four questions about the word it touches: how, when, where, or to what extent. If a word tells you how something happened, when it happened, where it happened, or to what degree, that word is an adverb. The last group, the to what extent words, like very, to, and quite, have a special name, intensifiers. Let's see it modifying a verb. The parade moved slowly. The verb is moved. Now ask the adverb's question. Moved how? The answer is slowly. So slowly is an adverb, and it points back to the verb moved, telling us how the parade moved. Underline the adverb, draw an arrow to the action it describes, and you can see the job it does. An adverb can also point at another describing word. The bus arrives quite early. Here, early tells when, so early is itself an adverb. And quite? Ask early to what extent? Quite. So quite is an intensifier, modifying the adverb early. The same trick works on adjectives too. Find the word, ask the question, and follow the arrow. One warning before we practice. Many adverbs end in ly, like quickly and softly. So ly is a helpful clue. But it is only a clue, never a rule. Plenty of common adverbs have no ly at all. Often, soon, fast, here, and now. And a few ly words, like lonely, are actually adjectives. So don't trust the ending. Ask the question instead. So here is your quick test. Take the word in question and ask, does it tell how, when, or where? Then it's modifying a verb. Does it tell to what extent? Then it's modifying an adjective or another adverb. If the word answers any one of those four questions, it is an adverb, plain and simple. Ignore the spelling, follow the question. Let's try a few. In this first set, I'll give you a sentence and point to one adverb. You decide what it modifies, a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Ask the four questions, then follow the arrow. Pause and try each one before I answer. In rocky areas, hikers must proceed carefully. The adverb is carefully. Ask the question, proceed how? Carefully. Since it tells how about the action proceed, it points to a verb, so the answer is a verb. Some hikers are quite afraid of snakes. The adverb is quite. Ask, afraid to what extent? Quite afraid. The word afraid is an adjective, so quite, the intensifier, points to an adjective, so the answer is an adjective. Snakes bite people relatively rarely. The adverb in question is relatively. The word rarely tells when, so rarely is an adverb. Now ask, rarely to what extent? Relatively. So relatively points to another adverb. So the answer is another adverb. Now a different task. Each sentence has a blank and 3 forms of the same word. Choose the one that is an adverb. Remember, the adverb adds detail to a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Pause and try each one. Snakes are blank, misunderstood by most people. Great is an adjective, and greatness is a noun. We need a word telling to what extent they are misunderstood, and that is greatly. So the answer is greatly. Look blank before stepping over logs. Care is a noun, and careful is an adjective. We need a word that tells how to look, and that is carefully. So the answer is carefully. Blank wear leather boots when you hike. Constant and continual are both adjectives. We need a word that tells when to wear them, and that is always. Notice it has no ly, yet it is still an adverb. So the answer is always. Let's wrap up. An adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, and it answers one of 4 questions: how, when, where, or to what extent. To find one, point at the word and ask those questions. If the word answers any of them, it's an adverb. And remember the ly trap. Many adverbs add ly, but plenty don't, and a few ly words are adjectives. Trust the question, not the ending. Great work!